Okay, so you'll never believe what happened at work today. So this guy comes in this big black ski mask and to buy some cigarettes. And my boss rings him up at the till, and the guy tells him that he overcharged him. And then he storms out, he throws his cigarettes on the ground, and he tells my boss that he'll be back. So we called the cops. We think he might have been the fugitive. Kate, what's wrong?
I don't know what to tell you. I'm just really confused about what happened last night.
Why didn't you come over?
I don't remember.
What do you mean you don't remember? It was last night.
You're the only one I can talk to, so please listen.
Okay.
This morning I woke up and there was blood on my sheets. Blood on my hands, blood on my shirt, just blood everywhere. I think something happened last night. I think... Was it West Park? I think I did something terrible. I think I hurt some people. And so did the police.
Well, then you have to call them.
Turn myself in? I don't even know if I did it.
Well, there was blood all over you. I mean, you were obviously involved somehow. Well, you just need to call them and they'll figure it out.
They'll put me in prison, don't you understand?
Look, just call them.
I thought I could trust you.
You can. I mean, if you can't remember what happened, then how do you know it won't happen again?
You don't think I'd hurt you?
I don't know. Kate, you need to leave, okay?
Can't believe this. You know, I don't have anywhere to go.